what can I say? Guys and girls, aliens blood. Absolutely love the stuff, and I'm just going to prove a point to people. Right, this is my van. This bugger has done 240,000 miles in 3 years. This hasn't been washed for nearly a month. That is the state of my front wheel. Okay, it has not been washed in at least a month, and in that month it's done at least 6,000 miles. I'm just guessing. Okay, on average I'm about 1,500 miles a week. So even if it's only done 5,000 miles, there's still a lot of shit to get off without brushing. Now the reason I'm doing this video, I don't work for Aliens Blood. I don't know who the people manufacture it. I'm just endorsing it because it's a brilliant product. I've tried wheel cleaners in the past, and honestly, the 99% of them are shit. This one doesn't even smell. It smells nice. Some of the other ones stink, and they make your fucking vehicle smell like shit for a month. These are the wheel I did earlier. Now, that was as dirty as the other one. And as you can see, I haven't brushed it. It's still got a little bit of dirty residue, very tiny amount, yeah. But that was in the same condition as that other wheel, and that I haven't touched with a brush at all. Sprayed it on, left it for 10 minutes, and it's clean as that. Okay, so good old Aliens Blood. Spray it on. I even do the tyre. It cleans the tyre up nicely. Now, it's not the cheapest product, 15 quid a litre on eBay. I get it from Valeting products, I believe it is. Or Valeting supplies or something like that. Well, you can see it's starting to work already. It's going dark purple, and it will go really dark purple because you know that metal and crap in there. Now, to be honest, I've just changed the wheel bearing on this side. I think that's why the van's getting a wash, because I'm not working, I've got time. So, there you go, you can see it doing its thing already. Certainly around the edges. But rather than bore you, I could leave it running. I will, actually. But I'm not going to sit here watching it. Leave it like that. Right, leave that for a bit, doing its thing. Let's give it another little. On the old calipers as well, it takes the rust off the calipers. Right, see you in a bit. So, doing this job nicely. Let's get close up. You can see all the it doing its thing. Now you saw how dirty that was, what, a couple of minutes ago. You see how dirty it is now. I mean, that is thick red with brake dust, brake rust, all the metal that comes off the discs. I've just done my back doors, which are rough as hell, but I'll be honest, they were really bad, and it took some of it off, but it's still, I don't know if you can hear that, it's very rough. It's got a lot of, you know, it's a lot of tar rather than the metal. So a bit of a clay, I've got a clay towel. I'll put that on that, get all that roughness off. But this summer it's going to get a good old polish. And it's dirty, I'm still in a, still got a van to wash. But here's that wheel, look, still no agitation. Okay, I'm now going to give that a blast. So, see what I put it over here. Anyway. You'll see it. Over. And as you can see, with no agitation, well, it's not squeaky clean, but all that lick is long gone. And that is a clean wheel without even, actually not, use my finger, do that bit. That is spotless. And these wheels are painted myself with rattle cans, and they're lacquered, and that hasn't altered the shine or anything. I highly recommend Alien's Blood. It's proof. Like I say, I'm only endorsing the product. I don't work for these people. I don't know who makes the product. I just came across it, and as a non-smelly, wheel cleaning, fallout removing product, it's fucking awesome. There you go, YouTubers. If you want a wheel cleaner, Alien's Blood. Buy it now. It's good stuff. You see it with your own eyes. And another go at it. I've already given it a squirt. Just in a, you see if it does the old calipers, it's pretty good. I like this stuff, pretty much. I'm just giving it another, like I say, I still haven't brushed it. I need to brush them. If you've got expensive alloys that have been just, or wheels that have just been painted or something like that, the last thing you want to do is go and get them all scratched with a epoxy brush. And I mean, there ain't a brush on the market, I don't think, that won't scratch your wheels over time. So, but you know, I have used a lot of that, and that's 15 quid there, and I've used nearly all of that. But having said that, I have done the back doors of my van. I've also used a clay towel because there was a lot of tar on it, and that cleaned all that up. So that has been sprayed over two very large doors. This is a long wheelbase high top, so they're big old doors, plus all four wheels, and I'm not tight with it. I'm generous, so it will never last. I've got another bottle indoors, ordered two at the same time. So yeah, seriously, if you're into clean wheels without scratching the shit out of them, and you can also, where's a good spot? There's no harm in putting it on your paintwork. It'll get all the metal crap that comes off your discs. Now I haven't done this bit yet, so hopefully this will be another little test that you can see. But that'll go purple, because all the crap that comes off the discs sticks to that as well. So we'll come back to that in a minute, leave that for a moment. I'll just wash the van, since it's still wet. But I've also waxed the back doors. As you can see, all lovely and smooth again. Look, you can't hear a thing now. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful. So what I did, I used alien's blood, sprayed it all over the doors. That got rid of all the metal contaminants, because that's what's going to ultimately scratch paintwork if you get on a brush. And I do use a brush, it's a big van, so I have to get on a brush. Which ain't here, but it's not there. But like I say, I've just done that with alien's blood, and then I've gone over it with a clay towel, which is this thing, and Auto Finesse's products. I'll give them a little plug while I'm at it. That's the clay towel I use. It does need a good clean now, it's probably got loads of crap in that. But Auto Finesse, quick detailer, that's what's been sprayed on there now. And all I did was spray it on, rub it in with my hand, and rinsed it off. And that gives it a nice wax finish. So Auto Finesse, I'll give them their dues, they're very good as well. Auto Finesse, that's the final quick detailer. That gets rid of all your water spots and all that sort of stuff. Normally I'll dry it with a towel, but I haven't bothered yet. Failing that, I've also got the Snow Foam Avalanche. Excellent product. Again, now ordinarily, there's my Snow Foam lamps. That would be empty within half a van with some cheaper products. This stuff's quite thick, so don't go through that. It did give a very good foam, one of the best, well, the best foam I've ever had. Still soaking away. She's bleeding like a bitch. Yeah, all that side that I thought I'd got off, I haven't done it. I'm also doing this wheel. I'm going that way, you probably can't see that, but it's in the dark. The dark side. Anyway, let's give them another rinse. Still, you can see that there's still dirt on it. It probably does want a brush or a wipe with a cloth, but considering, like I say, 6,000 miles worth of crap on there, and that's in all weathers. I do go all over the country in this thing. You know, that's probably been to Newcastle and back twice, essentially, and Manchester, Liverpool, Birmingham a lot. I was even up in Norwich. Strange place, Norwich. But if you like cleaning your wheels, that's the stuff to use. So once again, do a quick summary of it. Devil's Blood, don't say Devil's Blood, that's a completely different product that I haven't tested. I've used a lot of products in the past that just don't get the wheels clean, and this is the only one that I found, and it don't stink. The other stuff stinks to shit. I mean, it's not a nice pleasant smell at all. It's very pleasant, it's got a nice odour to it. And there you go. Alright, so last shout out, there you go. Nice clean van, thanks to Auto Finesse and valeting products. Alien's Blood, wherever the bloody hell it's gone again now. I've left it somewhere. There it is. So Alien's Blood, I believe they've got their own site on Facebook, not on Facebook, probably on Facebook, on eBay, their own page, valeting products, and Alien's Blood. There you go. Bye bye. So that dropped. It's the van's been washed, scrubbed, as you can see. Brilliant stuff. Alien's Blood is taking all that metal off, all the metal particles. All coming off. Brilliant. So I'll do that rinse now. It's going to be a shit video because I'm walking around fucking down my crappy alleyway, but and there we have it. Otherwise, smooth as a baby's arse. There's a bit of tar on there, but in general, take all the metal, isn't it? Take all the metal away. All good stuff.